K-Feather.
The new Dahon K-Feather is a super light folding e-bike. The K-Feather weighs just 26 pounds, features a 250 watt motor and a 120 watt-hour frame integrated battery using Samsung cells. The K-Feather also features the new Dahon V frame strengthening technology like the Deltec cable and the Super Down tube. Now these enhancements improve overall frame rigidity and strength, and they give riders a noticeable boost in speed, efficiency, and extended frame lifetime.
Dahon introduces the first ultralight electric assist bike, utilizing the Dahon V Tech Speed technology, achieving the utmost simplicity and style. It looks just like an ordinary folding bike, but comes with the added feature of electric assistance, challenging people's perceptions on traditional bikes. The incorporation of the Deltec cable transforms the bike frame into a robust triangular structure, enhancing the frame rigidity substantially. Through the high-density battery concealed within the main beam tube, coupled with a torque sensor, K-Feather effortlessly achieves a 50-kilometer electric-assisted range. The powerful torque of the hub motor eliminates the need for a derailleur, while an internal rotor explores the limits of size. The newly developed intelligent controller makes any conventional measuring device unnecessary. It's a perfect package of compactness, agility, lightness, and responsiveness in the development of green transportation. It uses a 24-volt, 250-watt internal rotor high-speed motor characterized by its small size, lightweight, high conversion efficiency, energy saving, and environmental friendliness, with strong climbing power. Built in with imported Samsung battery with 24 volts, 5 amp-hour power. The battery management system includes over 10 safety features, ensuring safety by closing the main circuit during charging. The multifunctional combination switch allows short press for power on and long press for power off. The concealed controller employs FOC drive algorithm and is equipped with functions such as self-check on startup and automatic sleep mode. This ensures a smooth and powerful ride with low noise and high efficiency. Furthermore, its overall quality is excellent. The frame is crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, utilizing argon arc welding technology for a combination of aesthetics and durability. The main beam tube of the frame is elliptical, providing a robust and impeccable balance of rigidity and stability. The internal wiring of the frame's folding mechanism employs stainless steel spring wire protection, preventing damage due to mishandling of the cable when the bike frame is folded. With numerous Dahon patented technologies, K-Feather is not only robust in design, but also technologically advanced. Super Down tube. Featuring a larger diameter and higher strength, cycling becomes more effortless. Coupled with the Deltec cable, ensuring safety, speed, and exceptional climbing capabilities. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Adjustable handlebar angle, height for different body shapes and riding posture. Aluminum alloy extended seat post. The seat post has a wide height adjustment range, suitable for individuals of different heights. Seat post clamp. Circular structure at the rear end of the handle, ensuring easy operation and safe riding experience. Transmission. Equipped with 53T chainring and single-speed rear freewheel. Combined with torque-sensing electric assistance, it ensures quick off-the-block, with powerful pedaling and acceleration. With front and rear V-brakes, it meets the braking requirements of the electric assist bike, and the compact design allows for smaller storage space. Dahon customized wheel set, specially crafted for top performance, ensuring smooth and lubricated rotations. The wheel rim is designed to withstand high air pressure, providing a stable and comfortable ride even during rapid braking. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Hahn, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahon has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahon folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahon means choosing trust and quality. With Dahon's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.